Hey, Tig!
I love Woolly and Woolly loves me. We've been together since we were wee. We play hide and we play run. We have funny fun. He's my spider cuddly toy. He's my clever woolly boy. I love Woolly and Woolly loves me. We've been together since we were wee.
Splash! When I was little, my mummy and daddy took me swimming at the swimming pool.
Right, let's go and get changed.
I know, why don't I take Woolly? Because we don't want him to get all wet, do we?
Mummy took Willie to watch.
Come on, Tig.
Daddy took me into a big room. Daddy helped me put on my swimming costume.
Come on, Tig. Let's go in the pool. Who's excited? What's that? You go and have a shower.
We had to have a shower. The shower was like the rain.
Turn right.
I squealed. The pool was very, very big. There was lots of water. The water went on forever and ever, and nearly out of the window. Willie and Mummy sat in chairs. Mummy waved. I waved to Mummy.
Say hi, Willie.
A man splashed up and down the pool like a big sea lion. I held Daddy's hand. We saw some children. The children were splashing. Daddy put on my armbands. A lady splashed with her legs. I didn't like the splashing. I want to go and sit on the chairs with Mummy. I don't want to go swimming.
Okay, well, why don't
Mummy said, why don't I take Tig to the little pool? Mummy took me to the little pool. Woolly came too.
Here you go, Tig, look.
There, Tig. Why don't you have a splash around?
Thanks.
I don't like splashing, I said. Hey, Tig. A swimming pool might seem big and strange and full of sudden splashes, but a swimming pool is just like a big, big bath. You like a bath, don't you? So make it like bath time. You like playing boats in the bath, don't you, Tig? So have fun with this boat. There she blows! Hey, Tig, now you can kneel in the water. It's much more fun. Here's another swimming game. Find the frog. Ribbit, ribbit. Water in your mouth. Spit it out. Well done, Tig. You found the frog. Looks like you got your face wet too. Hey! Bounce the ball up and down as hard as you can and see how many splashes you can make. So now you know, water and splashing is fun. So go for it, Tig. Have a splash with Daddy in the big pool. Yes, I thought. I like the splashing.
Come on, I'll take Woolly, will I?
I wanted to swim in the big pool with Daddy. I like the big pool. I like the splashing. I like the water all over my face. The big sea lion man saw Willie. It's only my toy spider, I said. I love splashes. I love swimming. I love Willie.
I love Woolly and Woolly loves me. We've been together since we were wee. He's my spider cuddly toy. He's my clever woolly boy. I love Woolly and Woolly loves me. We've been together
There you see, Tig. Belle's daddy is just like a big friendly teddy bear. So eat up your apple pie. No more worries.